Today we are going to learn all about our body parts from our head to our toes. There is so much to discover, so get ready to wiggle, giggle, and learn something new.
Face. This is face.
Face.
Eyes. These are eyes.
Eyes.
Eyebrow. This is eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Nose. This is nose.
Nose.
Lips. These are lips.
Lips.
Teeth. These are teeth.
Teeth.
Tongue. This is tongue.
Tongue.
Mouth. This is mouth.
Mouth.
Ear. This is ear.
Ear.
Head. This is head.
Head.
Forehead. This is forehead.
Forehead.
Cheek. This is cheek.
Cheek.
Chin. This is chin.
Chin.
Hairs. These are hairs.
Hairs.
Neck. This is neck.
Neck.
Shoulder. This is shoulder.
Shoulder.
Arm. This is arm.
Arm.
Elbow. This is elbow.
Elbow.
Hand. This is hand.
Hand.
Finger. This is finger.
Finger.
Thumb. This is thumb.
Thumb.
Nail. This is nail.
Nail.
Chest. This is chest.
Chest.
Stomach. This is stomach.
Stomach.
Legs. These are legs.
Legs.
Knee. This is knee.
Knee.
Thigh. This is thigh.
Thigh.
Foot. This is foot.
Foot.
Toe. This is toe.
Toe.
Let's revise. Head. Hairs. Eyebrow. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Tongue. Teeth. Neck. Shoulder. Chest. Arm. Elbow. hand, thumb, fingers, stomach, knee, thigh, leg, foot, toe.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.